Okay, I'm making this video for Heather Pitt. My name is Leanne Daughtry, and I'm an advisor in the pre-nursing program here at Wilson Community College. So I just wanted to show you how to apply if you wanted to apply online. This is our main webpage, wilsoncc.edu, and you're going to go to admissions and then application process. In fact, there may be some information on this page. Let me see. Application process for new students and special credit students. Set up your student email account and log into student planning. Okay, you can't do that till you apply. So let's go back up and click here, future students, and get started application process. Oh, that's what I had checked, but apply now. Okay, so here it tells you everything you need to do. Complete your residency determination. You can do that from here. Submit your application for admission. Request your transcripts. Schedule placement testing if necessary. Apply for financial aid. All of this is listed for you, and you have links, for everything that you need to do. So hopefully this will answer your question. And once you become accepted, then you'll go from there. You'll meet with your advisor, find out who your advisor is, and you'll meet with your advisor. So just at this point, just let me know if you have any more questions. My direct phone number is 252-246-1245. And again, my name is Leanne Daughtry. And I'm going to send you this through an email, so you'll have my email anyway. All right, have a wonderful day, Heather, and we look forward to hopefully having you as a student.